Anda kembali menyaksikan Net Bali. Aktor Hollywood promosi film di Hong Kong atau Singapura itu sudah biasa ya. Tapi kalau promosi di Indonesia, nah ini yang luar biasa. Aktor Australia Chris Hemsworth mempromosikan film terbarunya beberapa waktu yang lalu di Bali. Sekarang kita akan lihat nih wawancara spesial dari Vaniko Soekarno dan juga Dea Gita untuk Anda Good People.
Yes, Indonesia merupakan salah satu negara dengan penonton film terbesar di dunia. Aktor asal Melbourne, Australia Chris Hemsworth dipilih oleh Sony Pictures untuk ke Indonesia mempromosikan filmnya Men in Black International.
Hello Chris, how are you?
Good,
so my name is Dea. Because this is the first time you're playing the role on Men in Black. It's international, right? So what kind of surprises are you giving to the audience?
Look, I love the original films and the original franchise. That's why we all jumped on. But it was an opportunity to expand it into out of the New York urban landscape into a very international feel. And we went to a lot of different countries, a lot of different locations. We have a lot of comedy in there, but also sort of take the action to another level. And I'm pretty proud of what we did.
Can you please give a shout out to Indonesian?
Yeah, hello everyone in Indonesia. Thank you for following this franchise and jumping on board with us with this one. We love you guys and very much appreciate it. So thank you. Hey guys.
Hi, how are you going?
Good to see you. Good to see you.
It's good to see you.
You too.
Alrighty, so Chris, the cars will totally be different with the previous MYB, right? And
The
this one
cars?
is, yeah,
Yep.
right? And then this one is Men in Black International. Why do you use the international? I mean, like, not MYB4 perhaps?
Because we wanted to give this a different look and a different feel. The previous films took place obviously in New York and the urban landscape, and we wanted to give this an international, energetic, vibe. And so we shot in London, we shot in Morocco, Italy, a little bit in New York as well, and just aesthetically to make it feel different and unique to what had come before. This is a continuation of the previous films. It's not a remake, and those characters still exist within the ether of this universe.
Nice. And we discuss about the weapon. Amongst all weapons in MIB, what is your favorite one?
Out of all the films?
Yes,
Oh, the weapons. The Tommy gun type laser gun thing that I use in the sequence you see in the trailer where I pull off the hubcap, and that's the ammunition. That thing is pretty cool. Yeah.
All right.
And then in the movie, like, did you have to take the test? Because, like, in the first movie, Will Smith had to take the test to be the agent, right? Did you have to take the test?
I didn't. I should have. I would have liked to see where I ranked or scored on that. I may have not got the job if I did though.
So you were already an agent before you joined MIB?
Yes, in my spare time. Yeah.
Okay, what kind of alien do you love and hate? That's one.
Hey, what was that?
Alien.
What alien do I love?
Yes.
And hate.
I mean, the pug is always just a classic, iconic alien. Yeah, obviously talking dog, but it's an alien. I love that character. I love Pawnee, the little chess piece character you see in the film. Kamal is just such an incredible actor, and improvisational skills that he has is second to none. And so we were lucky enough to have him off set. We're doing a lot of that dialogue with us when we were looking at the little chess piece.
How did you create a new chemistry with Tessa Thompson?
Yeah, it was great to have that pre-existing friendship and then connection, and be able to just kind of hit the ground running and pick up where we left off, and not have to spend a lot of the film working out one another's rhythms and trying to find a chemistry. We certainly wanted to make sure the dynamic was different to what we had done in Ragnarok. That she kind of runs the show in that. I think Thor's pretty intimidated by her and a little enamored and in love with her to a degree. Whereas in this film, it's much more of a sort of equal playing field. There's almost a brother-sister sort of element to their sort of, sort of, you know, verbal battles and so on, and fun that they have.
Trust your gut.
Men in Black has been compromised and trusts no one.
See, we protect the Earth. And that means everyone and everything on it. Yeah, baby! We are the Men in Black. The men and women in black.
Yeah, ha. Perfectly done.